Hello everybody. Today is January 20th. It's about 3:36 p.m. as I record this, and for some reason my data feed stopped at about 2:08. I just want to bring over the time and sales. So I'm having some data issues. So I can only show the Auto Trader performance up till 2:08, but it's been outstanding, and I'm pretty confident that had we gone all the way to the end of the day, the returns would have been even better. So it was an outstanding day, at least up to this point. So I'm not sure why I had some data issues. I did have to step away and perhaps my internet connection froze up, but it never came back on. So in any case, today's trades are only up to this point in time, 208 and 42, in which the E-mini was trading at 831.50 at that time. Right now, I have another computer and data feed, and right now the E-mini S&P is trading at 862.50 at 3:37 p.m. So before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, first up is the E-mini S&P on the Superrenko 12 tick, and that hit its daily goal of 2,000 earlier in the day on two contracts. We have our daily goal set here at 2,000, and that was hit. Okay, next up is the gold contract, and that had 3 winners and 0 losers, and that hit its goal early in the session of 1,500. We have a goal of 1,500 to 1,200 loss limit, and these trades were taken. You see the equity curve here, so within an hour it hit its goal today. That's trading two contracts in the gold futures. Okay, next up is the 30-year Treasury bond on the Superrenko 6 tick, and that did 1156 on two trades and two contracts. And next we have the E-mini S&P on the Superrenko 8 tick, and that did 1475 on two contracts. We had 3 winners and 2 fairly small losers. And our daily goal on this is 1,500, so it obviously hit its goal. Okay, so the E-mini S&P 15-minute has a closed P&L of 1062 and an open P&L of 230 as of 208 when my data went out, of 625, and the market is now trading, the E-mini S&P now trading at 1857. So fairly confident that this trade, which is long from 1819, went as high as 1855 or 35 points, which is 130 ticks or more in the E-mini. So this is obviously going to close much. If my data didn't go out, this is going to close somewhere up here. So in tomorrow's video, I'll try to come back to this trade and see where it would have actually closed. I just don't want to refresh the charts or screw up the data, at least till I'm done with the video here. Once again, notice there's no H on these trades. Okay, next we have the crude oil on the Superrenko 10 tick, and this is our line break algorithm. And this had a single trade that was good for 100 ticks on two contracts, or $1,020. And this is using our line break algorithm, and the daily goal is much higher, but this particular setup doesn't trade as much. Okay, the crude oil on the Superrenko 7 tick also caught this short off the open, and our daily goal here is 1,200 on two contracts, and that was hit in a single trade. on a limit order. And once again, there's no H's next to the trades. And finally, I ran the auto trader on the DAX, the E-mini DAX futures. So this is the E-mini version of the full DAX contract. So this did 1410 on 2 contracts and a couple of trades here. And I'm showing the volume down here. There's not a great deal of volume, but it's doable. But again, it seems this market hasn't totally caught on yet, but hopefully it will. Okay, so that's it for today's video. We'll come back to our crude oil with a single short trade that was good for 120 ticks on both contracts. Actually, it didn't take one off here. There was just a tick slippage on the end here. The profit goal 1200 for the day. So this was just a single trade on this big sell-off off the open, the crude oil dropping to $28 and then coming back up towards the close. But that's it for today's video. Once again, thanks for watching. If you'd like to find out more about the Auto Trader, please visit our website or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.